Okay, so what you've got to be careful of in Congo is these small airlines. In this instance, we went from Butembo to Entebbe, and on landing at Entebbe, it was a heavy landing, and the pilot was taxiing far too fast. In fact, later on, when we met the pilots of another aircraft, he said that he thought that the Russian plane was taxiing 3 times the speed that it should be doing. Anyway, to cut a long story short, he swung underneath the wing of an Airbus, which was stationary. It had 300 persons on board, and it chopped our tail off and cut a big slice through the wing of the Airbus, missing the fuel tank by approximately 1 foot. And the fuel tank had 30 tons on board, pressurized to 38 pounds a square inch. So had they ruptured the fuel tank, it would have dumped it on the ground and it would have been a disaster. Our little plane didn't even stop, and in fact the pilots didn't even seem to want to get out to see what they'd hit, and they were so embarrassed about it.
Is there a control tower? Anybody there to say, excuse me, by the way?
So eventually we had to stay over because it upset our connecting flight, and we got friendly with the captain of the big Airbus, and they had to fly down a special crew to fix the plane. There were 300 people delayed. You can imagine the upset with the connections and such like. Ran into hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it was doubtful that the little Russian plane had any insurance whatsoever. And so the captain of the big plane said, "You can forget it. That plane is not worth repairing anyway." So, guys, beware.